Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's episode, I'm going to be potting up a plant that I lost in the winter several years ago. So if you'd like to see what that plant is and me potting it up, stay tuned. This is reclaimed soil I'll be using. Before I pot up any plant, I start with moistened soil. I place the plant inside of the pot to try to make a perfect plant-sized hole in it. And then I just turn on the tap. This is rainwater. This soil has been sitting in the shed for quite some time, so it's extremely dry. I want to make sure that it is thoroughly moistened before I plant this baby plant in it. This new plant has been traveling and it's been extremely hot, so I want to make sure that when I do place it in this container that it's not going to suffer because it's dry and the soil is dry. Now that the soil is moist, I'm going to try to pull out this plant without disturbing all the soil, but I can't guarantee anything. Much to my surprise, this is 3 plants versus 1. I thought it was 1 plant, but no, it's 3 babies, and I'm so excited. Now I'm just going to make a hole and place the plant baby inside the hole. Now the reason why you want to make sure that your soil is moist is because you do not want this soil, if it's dry, to wick away any moisture from your brand new plant. And as you can see, the soil around the plant is moist. You firm the plant baby in and repeat the process. If this flowers, and I hope it does, this is what the flower will look like on the Cherry Choco Latte. This is not approved in winners, but I just wanted to show you what the flower looked like. Now it's time to mulch and place this baby in the outdoor greenhouse and repeat the process. I have 2 more pots ready and I've planted both of these babies up, and I am hoping, fingers crossed, toes crossed, eyes crossed, that I can get these 3 babies to grow and have 3 new hibiscus in the garden. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. If you did, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.